Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to fix the error that occurs when there isn't enough memory on your phone. I believe everyone has faced this issue before. As you can see, everyone has experienced this issue before. So let's start by freeing up memory on your phone. Delete unnecessary files. Delete unnecessary videos, photos, apps, or even downloads that you no longer need. It's best to free up at least 5 to 10 gigabytes of space for optimal performance. Free up at least 5 to 10 gigabytes of space for smooth operation. After that, carefully try to clear the cache in CapCut by going into the settings. Now let's move to the CapCut app settings where you can carefully delete the cache. Additionally, make sure to close any background applications running on your device to enhance performance and free up more memory for your tasks. To close apps on your phone, simply take your finger and swipe them away, like I'm doing here, to free up memory for better performance. Here in Telegram, there are various features and options available, including some other apps and tools that you might find useful. If you encounter any issues, simply close the app or whatever is causing the problem. Thank you all for watching. Best of luck to everyone, and goodbye for now.